Friends, Israel is one of the smallest countries in the world, but it is the most powerful countries. It is a country that is surrounded by enemy countries and there are enemies who want to eliminate Israel in any way as soon as they get the chance. This country which came on the world map in 1948, it is said about the people of Israel that they are self-respecting and patriotic. Israel today respond by putting eyes in the eyes of Arab countries. Friends, today we will tell some interesting facts about Israel. Hello friends, my name is Meera and you are watching the Telfact YouTube channel. Let's start this video. Friends, Israel was established on the 14th of May 1948. After a long struggle, the Jews gained independence from the occupation of Palestine and a new independent nation was established, which was named Israel. The word Israel has been used since the Bible and before. According to the Bible, Jacob was named Israel after fighting a war with the angel of God. The term has been used for the Jewish land since that time. Friends, Israel is officially the only Jewish country in the world. And one of the most important policy of this country is that if any Jewish child is born in any country all over the world, it will automatically get Israeli citizenship. That is, if there is any Jew anywhere in the whole world, he automatically gets citizenship of Israel and can stay in Israel whenever he wants. The national language of Israel is Hebrew. Friends, people are ashamed to speak Hindi in our country, but you will be surprised to know that the Hebrew language had ended in the medieval period and there was no one left to learn this language. But when Israel was founded, the patriotic Jews revived their language Hebrew and made it the official language of Israel and thus the language was reborn. Friends, according to the 2018 figures, the total population of Israel is around 92 million. Less than the population of cities like Delhi or Mumbai. In terms of area, it is smaller than Kerala in India. Friends, Israel is the only country in the world where every citizen is required to undergo military training. Every citizen of Israel, even if he is the son of the Prime Minister of the country, is required to work in the army for some time. Army training of children begins in Israel from the age of 15. After completing high school, they have to join military service. It is necessary for boys to work in the army for 3 years and girls for 2 years. Israel is a democratic country but still there is no written constitution like India or Britain. Friends, all of you must have cycled, but have you ever got a license for cycling? No. But Israel is the only country in the world where you have to make a license for cycling too. Israel is one of the 9 countries in the world that has nuclear weapons and satellite systems. The Israeli Air Force is the 4th largest and powerful air force in the world. You can gauge the strength of the Israeli Air Force. When in 1976, Palestinian terrorists hijacked an Israeli plane filled with 248 passengers and took them to Uganda and rescued all its hostages safely in just 90 minutes. Friends, it is the only country in the world which is equipped with complete anti-ballistic missile defense system. Israel is far ahead not only in weapons but also in science. Motorola made its first mobile phone in Israel. Not only this, the first voicemail technology was also developed in Israel itself. The great scientist Albert Einstein was also a Jew. He was also offered to become the president of Israel, but he turned down the offer, saying that he was not made for politics. Mark Zuckerberg, founder of the famous social site Facebook, is also Jewish. Friends, at the time of its independence, Israel was just a piece of barren land, where it could neither be cultivated nor was there a source of water. But soon on the basis of technology, Israel became self-dependent in the matter of food. Today, Israel produces 93% of its own food items. In addition, it cleans the seawater and uses it for drinking and other purposes. There are only 40 bookstores in Israel because the government here provides books to every person. Apart from all this, a copy of every book printed in Israel is kept in the library of the Jewish National University. Friends, when books are very expensive today, and schools force the parents to buy books, we must learn from Israel. Israel's coastline is just 273 kilometers long. Despite this, there is 137 official beach. Israeli intelligence agency Mossad is considered the world's most dangerous intelligence agency. It is said about Mossad that once you come in its eyes, its agents will find you from the base. In 1972, 12 Israeli players were killed by Palestinian terrorists at the Munich Olympic Games in Germany. Then Israeli Prime Minister, Golda Meir, launched Operation Black September and gave a free hand to Mossad, saying that a single terrorist was alive should not be avoided. For the next 22 years, Mossad's agents searched and killed a terrorist who was involved in that terrorist attack. Friends, Israel's military strength can be gauged from this, that in June 1967, when half a dozen Muslim countries including Jordan, Syria and Iraq attacked Israel together, Israel retaliated all these badly in just 6 days. All was defeated. The Arab countries have not forgotten that defeat till date. In history, this event is known as Six-Day War. Israel considers India as its true friend. Despite this, no Indian Prime Minister had visited Israel before 2017. There was a fear of getting angry with a particular vote bank behind it, but in 2017 Prime Minister Narendra Modi became the Indian Prime Minister visiting Israel. His visit further strengthened the friendship between India and Israel. Friends, when there was a terrorist attack in our country before 2014, it was strongly condemned and then handed over dossiers. Whereas since 1948 the same basic mantra of Israel has been that if someone killed a citizen of our country, so we will enter his country and kill 1,000 of his citizens. After Operation Black September, Israel has shown this by doing this as well. Friends, our country was independent only 1 year before Israel, but you know where we are today and where Israel is in terms of development. All of us should also learn from Israeli citizens and make full contribution to the progress of our country. Friends, that's all in today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. And if you are new on the channel, then subscribe to it today and definitely press the bell icon. See you again in our next video for Good Boy.